Okay, we're going to write the scope statement for the Bookshop information system. And we don't know the name of the bookshop, the name of the business, so we go with a title of the information system that describes what it's for. The Bookshop information system needs to create, read, update, or delete data about. This is the same part that goes in every scope statement. Books. Why is it just books? It's just books because each of the entities that are here, author, publisher, genre, selling price, shelf, and year published, are only there to act as lists. They're not actually main entities themselves. Remembering that we need to list the main entities here. So the Bookshop information system is created. It creates, reads, updates and deletes data about books. Finally, we can talk about derived data that we could get from this data that we've already stored. So, first one will be just the number of books in the store, and all we simply have to do is count the records in the database. The value of books currently on the shelves, instead of counting, now we're going to add up all the selling prices in the database. So the selling price for each book, not just the ones in the list. A number of copies of a particular book. Well, first of all, we need to find the copies of the book in our database and then count how many there are. The number of books on each shelf. It's a similar thing to the number of copies of a particular book. We just need to find the books on a particular shelf, so we use the shelf reference, and then count how many are found. We can find the number of books published in a given year by finding all the books published in that year and then counting again. But we can do more interesting things like the average selling price of books. And so there are mathematical formulas built into the database, so we can find that of all books, or we can choose a particular book, or the average price of books on a particular shelf. We can search through the database, filter the data, and then do any number of mathematical operations on it. So there's some ideas. There are plenty of others as well.